Hi guys, I know you would like to build a hide and seek game using Scratch. Here's the tutorial that will guide you through. See you.
So getting started guys, so you are going to first select your background. So I want to look for, you can use any background as your design skill, your creativity skills tells you, all right? But let me look around. If I find something, I think I want like a forest. Okay, so I have this forest here. Then this sprite is definitely not going to work for me. For you, it might work, but the same principle applies. So I'm going to choose, let me look for one forest animal or something. I think I will do, okay, let me just pick dove. So I'm going to pick a dove. So you resize it. So I'm going to resize this for say 60. All right, so I have it. It's not so small. So now I want to start the coding now. So what I'll do is first to look for the event, what will happen to begin the whole exercise. Now when I click, when the flag is clicked, this is the flag here, like a play button. When the flag is clicked, so what happens? So I want this to hide and show. So I have to go to look, and this event is going to be, of course, it's going to be a forever event. So let me first put that control there. So it's going to be a forever event. So it's going to hide and show. So let me look for that. Okay, show and hide. So I have it, show, then hide. Let's see. You can see that the bird is no longer there. So let me click on stop. Okay, so now to make it come out, I have to add some control. All right, so I will say you have to wait so that it will not, both of them will not be executed at the same time. So let's say wait here also. Now let me make this, I don't want the disappearance to be too fast, so 1.5. let me make this 1.5. Right, this is going to be 1. So let's see. Okay, so it is now disappearing and appearing. So it is hiding and it is showing. All right, okay, so let me make it, but it cannot be here alone because it's a game, so it have to appear in random places. So now let me say motion, then I want it to go to random position. All right, that's when it is a game. Okay, so it's appearing in different random position now. Okay, fine, so that's when it is a game. So now the aim is to aim on this, click on it to earn a score. All right, so how do I click on it to earn a score? So I am going to create another event for that, so which says when sprite is clicked, what happened? You have to give me a score that's like 1. All right, so that is a variable. Okay, so I'm going to create a variable in that sense, and I'm going to call that variable score. Okay, so if I call that the variable score, you can see that it's now showing here. All right, so now what happens? I'll say change variable by 1. So at every time I am able to aim the dove, you increase it by 1. So you change my score to 1. Okay, so let's try that. Let's see. Okay, I aim it 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I think this is, I should make this to be okay. Let's just leave it so that it can be easy for me to play. So in your own, you can set it to 1, you can set it to 0.5. can set second stage and third stage and make it more harder. But for this, now what if I click on stop? I need this score to go back to 0 so that if I want to play the next stage, the score can be in 0. So I have to say set variable to 0. So I have to put that here. So I have to set it to, so each time I press this, it starts all over. Okay, that's fantastic. So now to make it interactive and engaging, so let me add sound. So let's add a sound. Play bed. Okay, now let me pick this. So each time I click on this bed, okay, fine, I want the bed to cry so that I will know that I aim it and I got it. Okay, fine. So I think that's fine. So now what else? Okay, so I want a continuous sound to be there so that the game can be enjoyable. So let me now add sound. Okay, so that's going to be another event because it's going to be a continuous something also. So let me say I'll click, then it will be a forever thing also to keep playing until the game ends. So now I'm going to add sound. Okay, so say play sound until done. So now this sound, let me look for a sound. So now to add a sound, you have to come to the sound here, then you use this button here to say choose a sound. So better you have to look for a loop, something that can go continuously. So let's see. Let me go for this. Let me go for that. So you go back to code. Then what you have to do is to come here and click on this drop down to pick the sound you just picked. All right. What else do I need to add here? So that's all. So now I think I have my game. So now I can enjoy my game. So I have the score. Why? You are running for me? Okay, so you can expand this now and enjoy it properly. Okay, bed. When I get to 10, I stop. Alright. Alright guys, so that's a game to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.